Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best dash cams in 2023. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So here are the top 5 best dash cams. The 5th product on our list is Aukey DR02. The Aukey DR02 is a good choice for most people who do not need a rear-facing camera on their dash cam. This model's high-definition front-facing camera has a 170-degree viewing field and comes at a reasonable price. The wide-angle lens gives an all-around view and will record essential video in the event of an accident or to ensure you catch that once-in-a-lifetime occurrence while driving. One of the most appealing aspects of the DR02 is its small size, with the longest side measuring just 2.2 inches. You can put it on the edge of your dashboard and hide the wire behind it, and you won't even realize it's there. If you want a sleek appearance across the outline of your windshield with few obstructions, but still want the helpful capabilities that a dash cam has to offer, we believe you'll appreciate this model. Regrettably, a few small flaws in this model's design irritate us. Due to the lack of Wi-Fi, you must remove the SD card from the camera and insert it into a computer to download and store recordings. Although this isn't the most efficient method, you're unlikely to need to extract video from the device on a regular basis. The sticky attachment that adheres to the windshield, on the other hand, may be a turnoff for others. The mount contributes to the slim profile, although not everyone may desire a semi-fixed mount affixed to their car window. However, these drawbacks are minimal, and we believe the Aukey DR02 is an excellent option for the majority of dash cam users. Up next in 4th place is the Miofive 4K dash cam. Of course, the video quality is a crucial consideration when purchasing dash cameras. Despite their modest size, some dash cams can provide high-quality footage. With that in mind, you may want to think about the Miofive 4K dash cam. Miofive 4K is a gadget that was funded via a successful Kickstarter campaign in 2021. The Miofive's main selling point is its 4K UHD quality, but it also has 64 GB of inbuilt storage, fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, the ability to stream video to its own smartphone app, GPS, and a 2.2-inch IPS display receive. There is also a rechargeable battery, which is unusual in dash cams. Regrettably, it only has a capacity of 500 mAh. It's more of a backup option to keep the dash cam going in case it's accidentally disconnected than a permanent solution. The 4K resolution is the highlight of all the features. We've previously noted that car camera video doesn't always need a high pixel count. Other significant criteria besides pixels include exposure, stability, and field of vision. The gadget included a 4K image sensor without sacrificing other critical features. The Miofive 4K dash cam also has a built-in GPS that gives precise speed and position data, as well as a rechargeable battery that enables you to travel without being hooked into a USB outlet. In addition, the Miofive features a huge 64 GB of inbuilt storage. The majority of other gadgets include a micro SD card slot for storage. The Miofive 4K dash cam stores data on an eMMC card. It's believed to last 10 times as long as his micro SD card. Some notable features of the gadget include a 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection for quick video file uploads from your dash cam to your smartphone. The 3rd product on our list is the Nextbase G22W. So let's move beyond Garmin and its incredible dash cameras. This time, we have the Nextbase G22W, which offers a slew of fantastic capabilities in a more cheap packaging. The G22W can capture 4K video at 30 frames per second. Additional choices include capturing movies at 1440p at 60 frames per second and 1080p at 120 frames per second. Although it is entirely up to you whatever recording style to choose, the first or third options are preferred since they provide the best of both worlds. The Nextbase G22W uses a 6-layer 140-degree lens with an aperture of f1.3 and a polarizing filter to shoot video. The device's software incorporates capabilities that increase video quality even on dark roads and in poor visibility situations. You can store audio as usual, but you may want to turn it off if you have passengers on board. A 3-inch HD IPS touchscreen is located behind the device and may be used to browse the UI. Nextbase has also included Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, and QuickLink as extras. The companion app makes it incredibly simple to connect this gadget to your smartphone. This dash cam, like most others, lacks a battery. It may be powered by hooking it into a USB port, a 12-volt cigarette lighter outlet, or by permanently connecting it to the vehicle's fuse box using an extra cable set. Alexa compatibility, SOS, and a few more functions are among the device's highlights. You can use Alexa to interact with the dash cam in the same way you would with any other smart speaker. SOS services, on the other hand, allow you to notify local emergency services. Even better, it can offer your whereabouts in the event of an accident. The Nextbase G22W is an incredible dash cam with capabilities you wouldn't expect from such a modest gadget. We hope to see more from the creators in the future. The second product on our list is the Garmin Dash Cam Mini. One of the common problems with dash cams is that they can be a bit too big for comfort. It can distract some drivers, which is why when it comes to buying dash cams, size matters. If that's one of your main concerns, then you should get the Garmin Dash Cam Mini too. As its name suggests, this dash cam from Garmin is relatively small. In fact, it's the smallest out of all the dash cams on this list. Don't let its size fool you, though. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 still comes with amazing features still. In fact, it's a great dash cam overall, regardless of whether you're looking for something small. Amazingly, Garmin was able to pack in 1080p Full HD resolution shots with HDR using the device. Not a lot of dash cams at this size are able to do as much, which is another reason to love this compact yet effective dash cam from a trusted name. Looking at the dash cam, you'll easily see that it's around the same size as a key fob. It's something that you can pack and take with you wherever you are, just in case you need the camera for something else. The windscreen mount that the dash cam comes with is just the right size, but it's more than enough to keep the device secure even on rocky roads. Best of all the features is a voice control system, which is perfect. Due to its size, it can be relatively hard to control the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 with buttons, so it's a good choice to implement voice control. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is a surprisingly good entry in this field of heavy hitters. The features definitely don't do the size justice. As one of the top dash cams out there, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 does a lot that other dash cams can't. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Garmin Dash Cam 67W. When it comes to gadgets for specialized requirements, one brand you can always count on is Garmin. They are well known for their timepieces, but they also manufacture other items such as dash cameras. The Garmin Dash Cam 67W is one of the top dash cameras in 2023. It's an improved version of the Garmin 66W, which is already an excellent dash cam. The Garmin 67W, like its predecessor, comes with a wealth of wonderful capabilities. Apart from a beautiful construction that makes it worth the higher price tag compared to other selections on our list. Some of its fantastic features include live view tracking, parking guard, and many others right away. Let's take a look at what makes some of these dash cam features essential for everybody who owns a vehicle. Live view monitoring essentially allows you to observe your vehicle from a distance. This implies that the dash cam is helpful even while you're not driving. This provides a degree of security that no other dash cam can currently provide. Best of all, live view is also rather simple to set up. Parking guard, on the other hand, provides you with updates or notifications anytime anything happens to your parked vehicle. If someone is tampering with the body or attempting to pry open the locks, The function will keep you alert wherever your automobile is. Overall, these two elements provide a significant level of security. Due to its incredible features and high-quality construction, the Garmin Dash Cam 67W is the greatest dash cam you can purchase in 2023. It may be a little more costly than other solutions, but we believe the price is well worth it given what you receive in return. If you want premium features in your automobile, the Garmin Dash Cam 67W is the finest option. That's all for our list of the 5 best dash cams on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.